Hey everyone, so today we're going to be going over some recipe conversions using your yield adjustment formula. So first things first, we always want to find our working factor. So for the formula for the yield adjustment formula is your portions to prepare, your PTP, divided by 100. So in this case, your portions to prepare, you want to make 150 portions of Salisbury steak. So all you're going to do is 150 divided by 100, which is 1.50. So this is your working factor. So after you obtain your working factor, you have to multiply by each of these ingredients in order to get your new weight and measure of what you want to get for those ingredients. So as you can tell here, this is a standard recipe card. So every standard recipe card always yields to 100 portions, but we don't want to make 100 portions, we want the 150 portions. So that's why we multiply our working factor by each of these ingredients. So let me start off. So 1.50 times your 2 pounds. So that equals times 2. So that's just going to equal 3 pounds. So that's your new weight for the sandwich bread. So pretty much with the 2 pounds on your standard recipe card, you can make 100 portions. And with 3 pounds of the sandwich bread, you can make the 150 portions that we want. So that's how you do these recipe conversions using your yield adjustment formula.